Hello, my name is Evan Abernathy, and I am an applications engineer here at Essentium. Today, we will be discussing 3D printing devices for orthotic and prosthetic applications. Within the orthotic and prosthetic industry, bespoke devices are designed and custom built by specialized clinicians to fit the direct needs of their patients. The typical process of O&P can be distilled into several distinct steps. First, the clinician meets with the patient and determines what design is best for the patient's needs. The clinician carefully considers these requirements and appropriately designs the brace or prosthetic socket. In order to produce a satisfactory product, the clinician may have to iterate through the design process multiple times. The patient assessment and device design process can traditionally take days to weeks. Done conventionally, this process stacks both material costs and time spent on any given project, therefore limiting the clinician's potential to expand the number of patients they are working with. With the advancement of 3D printing, new methods of production have surfaced, providing O&P clinicians an opportunity to not only streamline their manufacturing processes, but also reduce costs while doing so. Essentium is currently working with Vorum to deliver a full solution to clinics, allowing for easy patient scanning, device designing, and finally, device printing of various O&P devices. Today, we will focus on design considerations for 3D printing O&P devices, preparing devices for printing, and how to post-process devices to maximize material and device performance. This will be demonstrated on relevant industry devices such as ankle-foot orthotics and stiff lower limb sockets. When designing a bespoke device, we choose the best material that fits the patient's application. Our stiff lower limb socket needs to be strong and light. HT&CF is the best material for the job and will last much longer than that of other materials and requires less maintenance. We use polyamide for the AFO because polyamide has flex but still gives the patient a reliable brace. Once the material has been decided, we must determine the best way to print the bespoke device. To draw out the full potential of the material's strength, printing orientation is very important. We want to make sure that the AFO and stiff lower sockets are extremely strong in the vertical direction, so they were printed in the Z-axis. This orientation also has the added benefit of using less support and therefore minimizing cleaning of the device after printing. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Essentium through our website, essentium.com. Thank you.